Good morning, class. Our lesson for today is all about agriculture, plant crop production. Plants are extremely important to life on Earth. They grow on mountain, valley, desert, fresh and salt water, almost everywhere on the planet. Plants come in all shapes and size from the smallest seedling. It also plays a vital role in keeping people, animals, and Earth healthy. Plants provide food, medicine, shelter, and the oxygen we need to breathe. In fact, everything we eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Yes, class, okay. Plants is important to people because if no plants, people can't eat and people can't breathe because plant is make an oxygen. Okay. Plant also provide shelter and habitat for animals. Our precious soil also need plants. When plants die, they decompose and provide topsoil that is rich in nutrients and help seeds to germinate and grow into. Okay, this the plants is important to the soil because if if the plants die, they decompose it. Plants also help to slow erosion because their roots hold soil in place. When plants carry out photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen for us to breathe. There are parts of plants. Number one is roots. Anchor the plants in soil and absorb nutrients and water that are needed by the rest of the plant. Roots is siya ang nag-absorb ng nutrients at saka water para sa plants because plants need water and nutrients. Okay, number two, stems. Support to upper parts of the plants and act as a transport system for nutrients, water, sugar, and starches. Photosynthesis can occur in the stem of the some plants such as cacti and banana. Okay? Photosynthesis is also occur from the stem, like example that as cacti and bananas. Okay, number three, leaves. When food for the plants is made and also leaves are the parts of the plants where photosynthesis usually occur. Leaves is diyan nagmula ang pagkain, ang fruit. And also the photosynthesis is usually occur into the leaves. Number four, flowers. The reproductive part of a plant, they often have showy petals and fragrances to attract pollinators such as bird, bees, and other insects. Okay, the flowers is siya ang nag-a-attract para para ma para ma-attract yung mga insekto like bees and bird. And number five is fruits. Okay. The fleshy substances that usually surround seeds. They protect the seeds and attract animals to eat them. This helps seeds dispersal. Okay. Fruit is need fruit is fruit is usually eaten. If kung ang isang fruit ay kakainin, yung mga buto-buto niya or yung seedling niya ay itatapon na ito. At ito ang importante sa seedling na matapon siya because tutubo rin yan pag ito ay natapon. Okay. And number 6, contain plants material that can develop into another plants. This plants material called an embryo. Seeds are covered with a protective seed coat and have one or two cotyledons. Cotyledons means are the food for the baby plants until can make its own food from light and are often the first embryonic leaves of the plants. Okay. Cotyledon is isa itong pagkain ng baby plants para ito ay grow and and she make a leaves and make a plants. Okay. Plants growth stages. Number 1 is sprout. Each seed contains a small parcel of nutrients that is also the need to germinate and begin growing their first pair of leaves. Number 2, seedlings. As plants, roots develop and spread above quickly observe well-balanced nutrients fuels the rapid growth from the spindly seedling to healthy plants. Number 3, selecting livestock for raising. After knowing the benefits of raising livestock, the next step to do is to know what breeds of animals are the best qualify rather. Okay. Nalaman mo naman nalaman niyo naman na kung anong gawin na pag-aalaga ng isang hayop at para ito malago at para magkikita ka. Ngayon, alamin naman natin kung paano breeds ng isang hayop para ito ay lumago. Okay, number 1. Age. Select young animals for they are more productive than older animals. You select the younger animals because they can Number 1 is age. Select young animals for they are more productive than older animals. And number 2, health. Choose animals that are active with bright eye and soft and smooth hides. Okay, it's importante sa isang animals kapag ikaw ay nag-breed ay healthy siya. Kasi kapag hindi healthy, hindi siya maka-breed at hindi siya maka-produce ng egg. Okay? And number 3, crossbreed. Crossbreed or crosses of two different breeds are much preferred because they gain weight faster. Okay? And number 4, breeder. Choose animals that are heavy and big for their age, will develop shoulders and can stand firmly on. Okay. So, why we raise chicken? Okay, number 1 is easy and inexpensive to maintain. And number 2 is eggs that are fresh, great tasting, and nutrients. Okay. And number 3, chemical-free bag and weed control. And number 4, manufacture the world-best fertilizer. And number 5, chicken and egg production are the most progressive animal enterprises can be a good source of income. Okay. This is the five reason why we raise the chicken or the livestock. Okay. We all done, and do you understand? Okay. If you don't understand, please ask me, and I discuss you the lesson. Okay. And for the activity today's lesson 2, number 1 is what is the importance of livestock, and number 3, why people love livestock, and number 2 rather, and number 3, do you agree that the livestock is not expensive in the farming? Okay. And this is the activity today's lesson 2. And the lesson 1, you make a research about the land crop production and what is the materials they used. And you submit this activity 1 before the examination. Okay. And thank you for listening to me. Bye!